Product History of D&H Secheron Electrodes Pvt Limited. 2006 Batox-D, NP, Basic Coated Electrode Yielding 0.05 C18 Cr12 Ni 2.3 MoWVN deposit. Conforming to IGCAR Specification. 2007 CNM, Special, M, Conforming to E12018M, suitable for joining high-strength, low-alloy or microalloyed steels to themselves or to lower-strength steels. 2008 Wear plate and complete full-fledged automated job work, the workshop established. 2009 Chromalithium 92, low hydrogen electrode deposits 901 MoWVN enriched with niobium, vanadium, nitrogen, and tungsten. Typical materials where this electrode can be used are P92, Rotor Steel, E911 steels. 2010 D&H 2594, NS, non-synthetic electrode depositing super duplex stainless steel weld metal.